Come me say pick your side. Cause the lawsuit buckle getting drawn out. Whoa, whoa. Come me say pick your side. The lawsuit buckle getting drawn out. What's up, people, my family? Bless up on yourself. Happy Thursday, another Ben Johnson day. As me say, the time now wait for nobody, the week, the month, the year. Get to act together. You understand? Choose on a priority. Get on a life fixed. You understand? Instead of worrying about fixing someone else's life, get phone on life fixed. Time now wait for nobody. Speak my mind, family. You don't know what to do. It is so easy to do. It not cost not even $1 frown. Because me know say I not speak my mind, me couldn't have an internet service. Me know I not speak my mind, me couldn't have an data service. So I know me cost you no $1. You understand? You know have it on for the comfort of uno. So it no cost you no $1 fi do. It is so easy. Like, share, subscribe to the channel if you have not yet subscribed. There is 17.75% of you over here who is not subscribing. Move from 18.25. So it's coming down. Don't find yourself in that 17% of haters. So if you think you subscribe and you have not yet subscribed, because you come on the channel and you say you hit the subscription button, but you know hit it, but every time video pop up in your feed you see it, check if you subscribe. Don't be a hater if you're not a hater. If you're a hater, so be the case you can stay. But check if you subscribe, and if you're not subscribed, just hit the subscription button now and get yourself out that 17%. It's supposed to be 15% of haters. Me give them a long way, you know, a big space. Yes. And remember now, the most important thing is to watch the ads. That's how the channel get a revenue. Go follow my backup page also if you have not yet followed it yet on YouTube. Life is a Mission TV, family rated channel. Now I beg on all the new subscribers, set the trend. Where the old subscribers they were over here for all long and still not subscribe to the Life is a Mission channel over YouTube. Because I diss them love over here. And most of them love running the comments and them tired of this and them tired of that. But it's still over here, so them love. Them now go over Life is a Mission, go type up in the comment section and watch a video and watch the ads and support over there. You understand? And help me to help the needy. You understand? And not the greedy. Follow me on TikTok, Life is a Mission TV. And remember, run over to the website of charmedandtrends.shop. Purchase one of my t-shirts, Life is a Mission TV, or Speak My Mind. Any one of the slang them, you can ask for it. Do they do? Like One Nation, so easy. You know. There's a few more me remember. Because sometimes I want to remind me about some of them. Because I don't use some of them that often. Alright? The good thing to shop with Charms and Trends, we don't make these remotes and put them down. We advertise having remotes. Then you come and tell us you need a remote, and you tell me where you want on the remote, and we give it to you. Alright? Knowing that the brand of the Speak My Mind and Life is a Mission will bear the name Speak My Mind, Life is a Mission. Anything else, you say where you want on it. That's the good thing with shopping with Charms and Trends. You get what you want. Good customer care service. You can check out the Instagram business page, charm_and_trends on Instagram. Anything you see on the site, from a bracelet, a wine glass, a wine cup, tea cup, water bottle, tumblers. You know, what we call tumblers is things like this in different shapes, different size. Yes, different colors. You can choose your color whatsoever. As me say, you choose what you want. Just drop in the DM for further information. Quick, you get a reply from customer care service. And if you want something, you just go straight to the website, Charms and Trends. Alright? Anyway, people, this lawsuit saga, you have an enemy a pick side. Enemy with both parties picking sides. Nothing wrong with you picking side, because we know out here that's all no stay. If you don't have two enemies, I go at it the one who don't like the most. You not tell yourself, say, alright, let me sit out that one here. You come and you banter the one who don't like the most. Unlike me, where if me come and me sit ready to talk about two enemies when me and them no friend, I will come out here and I will say, when that one speak and them chat rubbish, I will take the shovel and shovel it up and throw it in the rubbish truck. When the one over there so come out here and chat rubbish, I will take the shovel it up, throw it in the rubbish truck. So basically, me neutral. Me not out here support none of the two of them. Me out here for more expose the two of them, going at them one another, but not to support them. Unlike Queen Wasp, who she and T-Dog just recently have them differences. They are not seen eye to eye, they are no friends. But this lawsuit saga, she took to her platform, for her platform, she free to do what she want to do. But I always say this. Try to do it on a level. Me can't tell you what to do, but do it on a level where you don't expose yourself to the public as the person you are, where you try to blame other people to be. And when you come out here, come talk, you have a problem. You understand? This one, if you even feel come out here, come talk, come on. Balance something, but you're not balancing it. You are painting a picture, Queen Wasp, as if Kris is doing this for a Ponzi scheme. Yes, that's what you come out here and do. Kris is doing this for a Ponzi scheme. People, before me get into the video with she, I'm going to play a mass here. Also, you don't know as me say, you don't hear me say, pick your side, yeah. Cause the suit buckle is getting hotter. Pick your side, yeah. Because the last suit buckle is getting hotter. Yes, so Marcia, we know she gonna pick her side, and you don't know which part she gonna pick. You understand? But she's the next one to come out here and talk crap. They're not, try to level the playing field between the two persons. All because they dislike this person more than this person. So we'll get to the Marcia video first, then we'll go ahead with Queen Wasp. Painting this narrative like Kris is using the GoFundMe to run a Ponzi scheme. I'm going to want to listen keenly when time I play the video. So we can get to the Marcia video first.
Yes, people. This one like a cranny woman. I don't know where she come from. I don't know where she come from. They're on Facebook. I write up all kind of something about me and Tina Chin. I go over her page, you see, and I fix her business street and lame. Yes, me dear. Them expects what I notice about these social media people. It's like say me not supposed to have no opinion when it comes to Majesty and Tina Chin situation. They will come talk about how me no want Majesty to sue Tina Chin and me I sue the woman from whatever. It's totally different case. Me never see Majesty and Tina Chin. I call nobody and I call Mark by each other. Me never see Tina Chin and her Majesty walk around and scream shot people car inside a people's house. Me never hear Tina Chin and Majesty calling him, writing all kind of things and constantly harassing other people in the way that they...
Come on, what you mean? It's a totally different thing. You see it, you only see things the way where it suits you and benefit you. What Tina Chin is doing now can be better than where them you say them people are doing them. The woman a country and whatsoever. Reporting your work, sending emails, calling mugs, screenshotting your house and all those things. Alright, make a pick it out. Haven't you seen Tina screenshotting people's house? And sit on her life for hours? Speaking and downgrading the people them property and values that them have in them house? Have you seen that? Have you seen Tina troll people right through 99? The same Kris she and him in a things where me see last year for nearly 2 months she dep on Kris like when Tix dep on dog and Kris now answer. You know see that? How you are gonna say you know see Tina Chin doing this and it's where them a do you is worse than what Tina Chin a do to Kris? You coming out here and, you know, run with the rumors that this man is a pedophile. Doing all this with a clear intention of trying to bring down the man business. So basically, you try to bring him down and you try to stop him food. Where she ever come out here say people are trying to stop fear bread and butter. Where you gonna say that no worse than what them a do to you? Them report call Mark for you. Mark come for you? No. Were you unalive? No. So how that worse than somebody putting it out there that you're a pedophile? You know how that go? That them go as far as, if you Google, you will see it. Nobody can Google if nobody call Mark Maya Marcia. Nobody can do that because it's not there. But if you go in and the app or whatever, she put the man name in and with this petition, you will always see that there. So what Tina do, what the people do to you is worse than what Tina do to Kris. Make it make sense. But this is just to justify, you know, if you pick side. Nothing is wrong with you picking side. But this is what me I say, when you not come out here on a pick side, just be just, no. Make the playing field level. Don't come out here knowing that you have to say something defending one side and leave yourself to the public to look like an ass when the clear evidence is out there otherwise. Better you leave it alone and sit it out.
Woman, totally different situation. Totally
Different situation, yes?
Tina Chin and
Tina Chin worse, side worse.
Battle over certain things, but not to the extent to what the woman they do. What did the woman do? It's beyond obsession and harassment and bullying.
That a Tina middle name and last name, obsession.
Totally different case.
Middle and last name,
and
that.
I don't understand. Me don't understand how is it that these big women, I'm going to go over the page, find somebody text me the page. I'm going to go over the page and see the big...
You see it? The person where she talk about, who is the person, I don't know. But basically she's saying the person on her page, not her Marcia page, you know, the person on them page. And I do what them I do. And you take it out of your pathway to go over the people them page. Go do what you say you do. But it's when somebody come on your page come type, even up to your own supporters. You saw you deal with them. But you like to run in people comment. Like how you run in my comments so many times. And I have never done it to you. Recently, just to be a part of the head of the organizers of the clown show, I just go in your comment, you know, I make a simple comment, you know, just the clown and melling around. But that is one out of how many you have come into my comment section. You understand? Me have the screenshot them. Oh.
Whole woman, pay all woman. They plan the dirty woman
just as
page.
Recent as 2 weeks ago. Just as recent as 2 weeks ago.
And them are agreeing to that. And I'm just saying, these people lost their way. For real.
They might even find back for them way, but you not find back your way. Tina not find back your way.
I mean, I said to myself, so how can these people come on social media?
It's a dark tunnel, not end up in a not a dark room. Dark tunnel.
Who do a lot of things.
Dark, not dark, you know, dark.
D-A-R-K,
dark.
They must mind my business. Mind what kind of bumbo clock business? Who know they on social media every day mind my own. Who know come over there, come check my business and care when I go on the page. So who not talking to? Me have all rights to nip in at this. I say what me want to say.
Wow.
Who know a spectator? We have bloggers out here. Who no go and give you the money. Because who no show up on yourself.
So you have all right to dip into it. So how Tina not think the same way for you? The only time Tina call your name, you know, is when she look a backup. Like a choir. She look a backup. That's the only time Tina call your name like she is in defense of you. Look how you deal with Marcia. Look how deal Marcia and her picnic. She never come out here directly in defense of you. Never. It's only when she come out here, feel upset and interrogated about something that someone have said that not even point finger at she, but because she want to come out here to start a chaos or animosity or something between she and the person, which is one main person, 99, she come out here and she use your name. But I never see Tina come out here in defense of you directly. Never. So why you feel like you should have come out here in defense of she? So you care about somebody who not care about you for how many years? Look at your business. You ever see Tina run with your sheet business yet and promote it? And how many times you have promoted Tina cake business? Whether you post or you talk on your life, the only time she talk about you is when you give her a job. After that, she remember nothing about your business. And in a season, out of season, me hear you big as bad as thing be me hear you big up our business. So you have somebody as friend and not have you as friend. Them they even know if you have them as friend.
Because we come out and see them not getting us
the friendship where you
have
have
for
them.
Come talk. They go for me, they go for me and go up. Because you not show off on yourself. He's not going to win one Ross.
You're full of yourself. You always can make people earn. You always can make people gain money. You always can make people gain followers, views, but you can't do it for yourself. When you hear she just a while ago, I never hear she talk about before. So basically she have said something pertaining to the GoFundMe because it have cripple them brain. So basically she said something, you hear her? Since she come out and talk about the GoFundMe, if we don't see the money and move. What you mean? You have that influence? You have that influence on anybody that supports Kris, whether flanker, royals, criers, or neutral people. You have that power. So you have the power to make people support people and reach out to people, and you don't have that power for yourself? Everything you want to take credits for. And the same thing you want to take credit for, when it's your time for you to use your mouth to gain that support and benefit, you can't do it. And your name, you can't do it.
Mark my bumbo thing. Majesty, you're wasting the people their money. You cannot win Tina Chin in a courthouse.
Wow.
And this don't have not to be taken up to Tina Chin, is my humble opinion. For the way you class her and the way she class you.
Bet if it was Tina Chin suing Majesty, you wouldn't say that. And at the same time, why you feel like say you can take what $4,500 pay a lawyer in Jamaica from America to come down here and sue someone who is in social media blagging about you and you blagging about them? Why you think you can sue? You ever stop to look at it and say you now go win and not now come out of it? No. Because you just feel like say you is all that. Before now you come out and you said Dana can't sue nobody. When Dana come out come sue, where you gonna get? Where you gonna get? Oh, the woman a country and the woman house you want, because probably true you see she have house, because when Dana said she never sue and have 5 people to deal with, you was one of them who run out. Where you gonna sue? You gonna sue Tina Chin for what? Tina Chin have nothing? You gonna sue me for me have nothing? Wait. So when the woman a country have the house you see, I eat you want. Okay. So I saw you want own a house? A people house you want own? Because you criticize people of suing people. Where you gonna get out tight? You not get no tight. You can't sue poor people. You can't sue people with no money. Where you gonna get out tight? Now you say Majesty I gonna do film sue also. You say him can't sue and get nothing from it, but you can sue and get something.
There is no way. Oh yeah, what you gonna sue?
You know?
Under what?
Under what circumstances? I feel like you know American citizens don't have powers.
And she repeat it. Only bumble clock you can win her when she repeating something that is publicly there on social media, where the people from Trinidad drag you down. If anything then, what make you not go sue them? Kian and Cara, whatever they want to call. And them the people you go sue.
Puss and dog now have the same look. From me I grow me hear that. Puss and dog now have the same luck. A man pass and take one sea stone and throw it at you and lick you straight in your forehead. Cocoa come up like your farm. You load a man there. Circumstances. A man pass with a sponge. Remember now, you know? A wet sponge compared to a sea stone. I want to check the difference. What harm a wet sponge can do to you, where the sea stone can do worse. And the man give you a cocoa with the sea stone, and the man and you bypass him and you overlook that and whatsoever. But a man pass with a wet sponge and goes so boom, and you take that and take it serious. And it you want to defend. So you see why Puss and Dog when we see the man use a sea stone give him the cocoa and look on him, you know. Him overlook it for one reason or the other, but the man use a wet sponge and lick him with it, probably nice up him clothes or whatsoever. And the man there, him want to deal with, whether lawfully or unlawfully, and he bypass the man and lick him with the sea stone. So Puss and Dog now have the same luck. You can't tell the man who him to go after. If him have reason not to go after the people them are Trinidad, Kia and Kian, and him see fit to go after this dog in the United States of America, or feel like say she's the president at the present moment, or she's the owner of United States of America, just like yourself. Him feel like go after she, him a go after she. There is clause there that him can go after him have a case. So what are you saying? Who first say it or who last say it now have nothing to do with it. You me want to take to court because me have a case against you based on how you bring the rumors across. You did not say allegedly, which is the key word. And she know she did not say allegedly. And she know deep down she don't want to say allegedly. Because someone has said to her, you know, one of the live them, say allegedly, and she come out and she said, me now say no allegedly about Kris. Me attack it as it is. Like she were there. So when she go court, the judge asks her, like where the judge asks one of my little brethren. When me remember when they do and the judge asks him guilty or not guilty. And him say that him come to find out. Which is true that him come to find out if him guilty or not guilty. One next big man did I tell the judge, I tell him how the case go based on file. The man look on the judge and say, were you there? So me want she go to court, go ask the judge all of them something here. When the judge put the case to her and tell the judge say, I never she first say it or she second say it. Tell the judge say, and you run with the rumor all over social media without saying allegedly. Tell them say street talk, you know, courthouse talk are different something.
If they never come out information, then nobody else would not be talk about it.
Hey, so you never have to talk about it because you not prove it.
You are going to sue somebody pa. So what you want to do? Where you come America come sue her? Are you want our house you come to England back and forth to courthouse? Are you gonna call any expense? Then what kind of rubbish that you are going with?
Are rubbish?
Go sit down.
Then the same rubbish you want to come to Jamaica come do? Are the same rubbish you want to come to Jamaica come do?
You can't sue nobody. You
understand? The American them alone can sue.
What are you going to get out of it?
The American alone can sue. Nobody else in no other country can sue no American. Who is well protected. Who are protected species. Not humans. So what are you going to get from Tina Chin? Tina Chin look a cake pan them? That's what you're going to get? Wow. Wow. Where am I going to get Tina Chin look a cake pan them? So you say Tina Chin have nothing at all? But me not hear Tina Chin pan a live this morning say she not come out here and brag what she have from what she not have, and she glad she never choose to have a storefront because like she said she wouldn't have what she have now, and she not come out here come talk and expose her business. We know she not have nothing. Just like how you say it a while ago, we know she not have nothing. But she come on social media pretending like she have. So if so be the case, come on, let's fight the case. Let's fight the battle. You have your money, fight the battle. Me and you know Marcia said she not have nothing more than she didn't have cake pan good. Because I go to the same rental place, allow her to use the cake pans at their place. Away from the few she might have at home.
Because you're not going to get anything.
You
so
get from the woman a country.
You're going to go sue somebody? Where you go sue Tina for?
So you know, say the woman a country broke and now not just look at all how she have. So where you going to sue her for?
These people come on social media.
Where you going to sue the woman a country for? You look at all how you say she have? You know say she not have nothing either.
Look what Erica did to me. Look what Erica did to me.
They not plan to sue her.
Look what false information.
You're planning to sue her, so no people make them defend suing too.
What a woman they do to me. You and Tina chin battle certain ways. But the two of them do certain things to each other. So what you trying to tell me?
What is certain things?
And them are people come and talk about mind me business. All this a dirty girl right up. Me screenshot her name and put out on social media. Me could do anytime I put nothing bad about me on social media. I make sure I say me I go up on the page. Whether on the page fake or not.
That not because
man.
That not start the people that can say what they want to say.
In my big public page and screenshot
if you know what is against the law, can they act them on the day from what is not against the law? What are rules and regulation and guidelines can they act them on the day? That's what you learn. Spend some time and learn that.
Screenshot every last one I
so what that I go do? What that I go do?
Because if you don't see everybody now watch. They are watching. So if you don't see you not get it with nothing. You don't get it with Jack. That is the problem to know. I notice it, you know. I don't feel like so when I walk out, you can bully Marcia. It's not going to work. Somebody will talk about me, I brag about work. Me not brag about the work. Me thank God for my work. You understand? And me talk about my work because them out here call me stagnant.
You are.
Them out here call me say me not live nowhere me live in my car.
You feel just glad so we call you stagnant. We force you to go and get a job.
Working, me paying my bills.
We force you to go and get a job after calling you stagnant. After what you have been through last winter. You're supposed to praise us. Praise us. We are the one that make you doing a job now.
The thing about it now, me have more freedom now, no. You understand? Me have more control now, that's the problem. Me can't go take out my client and push him out the door. Carry him wherever I want to carry him. Uno can't do that. Someone stuck in a house. When summer come and here come, me and him go about my business. Me different from you know. Me can take out my client and drive him out and say, let's go to the mall. Let's go drink some coffee. Let's go where we want to go. My boss is gonna say, go ahead, take him out of the house and go on. Somehow you can't do that.
Oh, you know that.
So my work is different from Polo.
Oh, you know that.
See, right
yes, the safety of your job.
I text my boss and I
say, where do you might lose it same way?
Because I don't live in work. I'm supposed to do my exercise. You understand? When
you're
a
blow like a
2 hours a day or whatever, I'm doing my...
I walk, that woman here walk and talking to people. Normal walk, and like she a jog at a slow pace. Normal walk, she a walk, and you the woman a breathe like a hog. This is the same woman who said that if you get up and go exercise with her fat self and this and that. If she not she can't hardly go and she can't even breathe. And listen to Marcia. Marcia just a walk in our little park here like walk, not jog at a slow pace, walk. And not walk at a fast pace, just regular walk. And listen how she a blow. You don't always see the problem with people and have the same problem. But you don't know how to fix the problem. You don't born to know how to fix other people's problem. You don't born to love yourself and that's how you behave so in a life. From before the born was condemned. So the born don't love yourself, you love everybody over yourself. Because everything you tell people to do and want people to do to better themselves, you always have the good ideas and advice. But the same ideas and advice you don't have it for yourself. Look how you are breathing now, like you just come out of a boxing match. Look how you are breathing like you run down 2 roaches in your place. Jesus, please.
Exercise. I make sure somebody hit me text her. She said, go ahead. My client is fine. And I like say nothing to him. Alright. Me push him out the door before. The pictures then when me take before. Me make sure somebody push him out there. I go give him film time. Now it's my time. To do my exercise. And straighten up my leg and my back. Uno don't have the opportunity. Uno don't depend on my big, pretty, nice property. Uno have the luxury when me have.
People.
So who wouldn't?
I want big old woodland like, you know, with like a little lake.
Surrounding.
And she
And what
crash,
God
she
has
talk
provided
about
for me, and I
property.
wouldn't
What
give
is
it to me.
property? Watch it.
Or to try to take away
Be
stuff
a
from
dry
me
bush and old stone and
and
old
harass me
tree
and
and
put
dry
me
up
down.
tree.
But
Beautiful
what God give
property.
to me,
Like one little
who
lake.
can't
You
take
know
it
them,
away
you
from
know
me.
them lake they call
So I'm mad
foreign.
or no mad. I'm
She
mad
got
or no
like
mad
one
in the
property
car
where
say,
she own or her
who
friend or
try
her
to
family
fight
own.
against me,
Or
just to
even her
take out
boss or
food
share
out
up.
of my
Watch it.
mouth.
The tree
Who
them never
are
have
very
a
wicked.
leaf.
A wicked
Then
set
dry
of
up.
Negro people. That's what it is. Who is a bunch of set of that. Who don't know how to, who is the same, have the same mentality as when slavery began. Fight against each other. Who are crab in a barrel. Imagine you're not getting paid out
Crab
there on
louse in a
social
barrel. I
media.
talk about crab in a
And
barrel.
before no look
Yeah, crab louse in
content
a barrel.
to create, just like how the Africans them, and the Chinese them, and the white people them, creating good contents and making people laugh. You people are turning down on each other. Turning down on each other. Coming out here and cursing the creators. And stealing my work. What kind of bullshit is that? Been walking a long time. I'm tired. I have been walking a long time, months. But I'm gonna get back to it. I'm gonna try to get up early in the morning
and tired.
and put on my jacket so I can lose another 10-15 pounds. Like when you walking. Yeah, we need to do some more walking. So
and like you walk from
wake up like about
Linstead
6:30
to Ochirayas.
and come around and get up in the morning and the lunchtime I do.
Just a few
Me
steps.
do either one. And that make us start though. And my doctor said if I get 30 minutes a day to walk. I would yeah. So who don't want to go disrespect people? How the hell? Who don't disrespect people? Well,
My kids gonna get a seat.
I'm stealing
Who
their
don't want to see you
content
drop down on the live?
at the same time. Go get a life.
Your
Nothing
belly
can
has
work like
squeeze your
that.
lungs.
Coming on social media.
You need
And
proper
fighting against
exercise
other
to ease
creator.
your belly off of your lungs.
What kind of bullshit is
your
that?
belly has squeeze your lungs.
What
That's
is
why
a
you're tired so
scammer?
quick.
And a thief. That's what it is. That's what it is. A scammer and a thief. Look at these Google.
There you are. Scammer and it. So basically, you know, she are saying the same thing as the same picture where Queen was to go paint. Right now, you know, when me go play, you know. You have to talk about look at these gooses. People look on the goose and them favor. Let me show you. Look. You see them? Goose them with the whole of you have so out and the neck and down you have the foot them small. Same so the goose them look.
I want to know about chase me.
Oh, if you chase you down and you
I
have them
want
mother.
Canadian geese.
You could have passed to them mother, you know.
Watch it. Them coat pretty. Wow. Them not even a runway. Them nice. Oh, them feather. Them feather upon them up at the neck part look like a mink coat.
And the same feather you have on, man, you have them mother, man, you the same feather you have on your party, you know. Same feather you have on your party. And you have them mother, man, you see the shape and look like you.
Fighting against each other. Yeah? Look what you guys did the other day. Sending all kind of email. For what? I don't know. I have been on social media over 18 years. Working in the nursing field. Over 32 years. Because I have been working in the nursing field from my 20. And I'm 52. Never had a complaint. Never been.
You work from your 20 in the nursing field. I know you're 52. That's the foreign age, alright? I don't know about the cost of the foreign age that you use. That depends on the documents then. And it's 30 odd years you're working in the nursing field. And you work from your 20. I remember, you know, you stop over 15 and got 20 years, you know. You stop working, you know. So how you do 30 years and you start in your 20s and you're 52. I bet you only Jamaica age is 65. Would I believe that?
Into jail. And because of you people, I have to be investigated. Huh? Well,
look, you only investigate. Look, you never lock up with your son in the same cell.
You want to take away good people. That is the thing, because of a bad mind.
Wow.
Uno is no good.
Wow. Say that again.
Uno is no good whatsoever.
Say that again.
No good. No good whatsoever. Tomorrow, later on.
Anyway, people, that's what she have to say. As me say,
no good.
She almost, I said, Kris no also,
but anyway,
I do a Ponzi scheme. Here she said, loud and clear, she used the S word. Alright? Because this is what one of them believe in, you know. Because this is what Queen was going to come say now, you know. But me not going to talk out the video until me reach a stage where me want to dissect and then me say what me want to say. Alright? So when you listen to this woman, you know, where love come out here, come say people are hypocrite. And them love pick side. And them favor one more than the one. The next one there. And this and that. And when you come out here, come talk about fear, hypocrisy which you have in a social media. She run up in your comment section. On a listener. And tell me if I know the same thing with this kakaya one you just said a while ago. That's why I said pick on the side, no problem in picking on the side, but on if you just be where the level of the playing field is, have a level playing field. That's all me ask. Me no must get it, that's all me I say. Me should even say ask, because me not asking nothing. That's what me I say. Wanna listen, make your own decision.
This damn
and tell me what she has said.
So-called lawsuit that's supposed to be taking place between
so-called lawsuit. So-called
Majesty
lawsuit.
And that blogger, right? I want to put my 2 cents in this. Majesty,
it's a whole dollar, that's not 2 cents, it's a whole dollar.
Majesty. You trying to do what you been and everybody been wanting to
pick
do
sense
for
out
the
and
longest,
nonsense and
right?
turn it in a sense, you know, listen,
and you're seeking
process
this now as the opportunity to exercise the power to do so with the help of the plankers, of course, because I'm sure, to me, majority of the royals, I don't believe is probably going to join in with this, right? It's mainly the plankers that will celebrate and support this.
So basically, right, that's what she has said. This strength of the support we're going to get for this is going to be coming from the plankers. Reason being, the plankers, more than the royals, would want to see the back of Tina. In some way, yes, she's right. But what about the man supporters with him have? Remember now the 2 strongest support team out here is Royals and the Plankers. The Planker is number 1. But she's saying this all because we know we're sitting down and waiting how long for Miss D do what she do. And she come like she a itch for one reason or the other. I don't know what's the reason. But she's itching. I don't know the circumstances, but she's itching. So we as the supporters would gladly see somebody else take it up seriously to put her behind. You understand? And if it even need for them to support that person, they will. That is what she's saying here. Alright.
Lawsuit because of the personal vendetta and dislike they have for this blogger. And you're trying to definitely exercise your power and to actually show everyone and that blogger that if you want the support to take them to court, you can have it, or you will have it. But Majesty, you know that you really and truly, I mean, you have to prove me wrong on this. This one, Majesty, you're going to have to prove me wrong. You know you have no intentions of taking this all the way to the courts. You know that, Majesty. Because if you are a busy businessman like you claiming that you are, I don't see where you're really going to find the time to do this. And I promise you, that individual is not going to go down easily. Yeah, they're not going to take it lightly, and they're not going to go down easy. And I can actually see that individual will spend every dime, every penny, every cent they have to drag it out.
What penny, what cent Tina have to drag out any case? Probably Tina have to go seek a legal aid lawyer. Because in this case, there is no clear fact that a lawyer, I don't know if they do that in America, but they do it in Jamaica. A lawyer will see a clear-cut chance for a case, or see a case name win. It's just to take it up as a lawyer. And you don't have to give him $1 until case done. You just go in our agreement, 60-40, 70-30, or 50-50, whatever. You understand? Some cases might need financial funding. Like, so for instance, you end up in an accident and you know you need money to go do therapy and whatsoever. The lawyer, how clear the case is, him take fee money and give to you if you don't have it. So I want to go in an agreement when case done. I don't know if it happened in America. But this case is not a case where Tina will have that opportunity, because this is not a clear-cut case. Tina have to come up with her money. And what money Tina have, you got to talk about she's going to go length and breadth and drag out case. Drag out what kind of case? She have money for drag out case? You going to say Kris is a businessman and you know, see him, I going to go through this. So this is one of the things where you try to use now to prove say it's a Ponzi scheme in the pan. You not going to hear her explain how she think of this whole GoFundMe.
As long as it needs to be dragged out. So I actually don't see
Kris
you
have a
with
staff.
that
What you
time
mean
of,
him not have the time?
time
You have a
on your
staff.
hand to take this all away.
Kris will leave up on vacation for days and weeks. Him just come off a vacation for over a month in America to Trinidad. Him business never shut down. Him business still on operation. So what you mean? It's not like the case are try every day. He will have a court date, but you say boy, it will cost him an arm and a leg to travel back and forth. You understand? And if it's worth it, why not do it? If it's worth it, why not do it? Huh?
The court for something like that.
Yeah,
Yes,
well, like
it's
every day the case
something
I'm gonna
major, it's something serious. It is definitely a serious allegation when it comes to your character, yes, right? But we know it did not just start it today. And we know that allegation been out there for a minute now. And anybody who's going to sit on social media and be an hypocrite and say this is the first time they're hearing about it, they are exactly what I just said. They're a big hypocrite. Something like that, an allegation like that, I've said several times throughout the years by different people. And Kris, you ignored it. You never paid it any attention. You never came out and denied it, or you never came out to admit it. You just
look at it this way. Just look at it this way. If this Trinidad saga was about anybody that Tina affiliate with or have any liking for, she wouldn't have on social media 23 hours out of 24 hours a day. And it's all about this whole saga for the past week and a half, 2 weeks. What I say? If it was somebody who she have a liking for, she have some acquaintance is with, she wouldn't be on social media for over a week and a half, 2 weeks, dragging this whole thing that she have no evidence of. Just people like herself speaking of things, cuss to bring good word. People are going to bring up all kind of things to say about you, to bring you down, make you feel bad. Worse, if you make them feel bad before. Up to now, there is no evidence come forward where these people is talking about. For she take up this and run with it, so there is no difference. You ever come now and say these things is been said in social media for a long while and other people have said it and him never this and him never that. I saw it go. When you set a rat trap, you know what, rat would have pass it and it not catch them. And one I go be the salt one. Wait I go catch. Call it say I share the salt one. Me don't want him proceed. That's all.
Ignored it.
Because in the proceed,
right?
this
So
girl you have a whole
we
heap
know
of chat
that
and whole
this
heap more around.
so-called, you know,
I feel like saying
pretended
you can
lawsuit
continue
is
to be a
really
video,
a
not be in the social
personal
media.
vendetta against
If
that
him just come out and come
individual.
chat and not proceed.
And if people wants to send you their money, right? Because I've seen them send money
Well, listening up.
for more foolishness than this. So
Tell
if
me
they
if I
want to choose to
Ponzi scheme,
send
she
you
said the
their
man a try
money,
run.
that's on them. That's their money. They work for it. It's not my money. It's not anybody on social
So you
media
must
money.
not
And
chat.
what people do with their money, I care zero.
No, you care right now, you care.
But once you get that money, Kris, you know
Listen.
you're not going to really move forward with the lawsuit. So what you're going to do, you're going to come out and say, guys,
Use your 2 years and
you
listen.
know, this really going to take up too much of my time. I'm really, really busy. I'm trying to, you know, get my life together. I'm trying to work hard so I could be able to, you know, save enough money to buy my house.
She are looking at him and talk for you.
This is just going to be a big distraction for me. So what I'm going to do, everyone, I'm going to go ahead and return your money.
Listen, you know.
Majesty, you and I.
Listen, you know. She a thing for Kris, you know. She in a Kris head a thing for Kris. As me say, so a man think it, so is he. She know Kris to a level. She know him from him maga, from him come and talk about when me say S to the fucking yeah. She know him from him time, so she know what him gifted for from what him not gifted for, what he will do from what he will not do. The psychs that Kris is playing is that he's going to say at one point, oh, I can't bother with this because when I check it out, it's going to take a lot from me and from my business and I don't have that time. So I will just issue back your money. I will just issue back your money that you have sent in the GoFundMe. So this is how which part the Ponzi scheme start now, you know. Because him know him intention long time. Did clear. But what him know also, with what him a go do, listen where she a say, him a say, and what a go happen with the people them.
Both know these people are not going to take back their money from you. You know that.
That's why
I know that, you know that. That they're not going to take their money back from you. They're going to say, no, Your Majesty, we love you. We already gave it to you. Go ahead and keep it. And then what you're going to do with that money, Your Majesty, is either you're going to put it in whatever savings that you claim you already have towards your house or towards whatever business you're trying to, you know, establish. And you know that. You know that ahead of time. And that's me, Queen Bee, saying that to you.
So, wanna get what I say? It's a Ponzi scheme Kris a run. Him already know him clear intention based on what she a say. It's a Ponzi scheme him a run. Him start this to gather the money, knowing within himself he's not going to go through with it. Too much time, too much stress. It's going to take too much. Back and forth England, back and forth United States. It's not like it's in England. So the intention is make the money come up in the GoFundMe. When it reach, me just say, alright, I am not going to bother do it, and then me have an offer to return back the money. Knowing, Kris knowing, because this is how she are talking about, that the people who have sent the money is going to tell him, no man, don't bother send back the money, man, just keep the money. So it's a clear intention him have. So him have him plan right out, but him did sit with she as an architect to write that plan out. So she know every cribbit and corner where the seller of the house to go, which part of the window you have to go, which part of the door they go, and which part Kris go walk under to do what he want to do. She just stop from say it's this. You understand? She just stop from say that. I don't remember if she said it in the last part, but that's the last thing. Only thing left for she say. Oh.
And whether I'm wrong or not, at the end of the day, that is my opinion of how I'm assessing the situation
No, that's no
right
opinion,
now with
man.
you.
You think for the man.
You know you put that
Cause you say you know him all long.
GoFundMe up as a form of trying to prove that you could get the support if you wanted, and also you saw the opportunity to make some money off of.
It can't be your opinion when you declare that you know this man for all long, from before him have even 100 followers. You follow him from him skinny. And I talk about A to the motherfucking E to the S to the motherfucking. You know him from that. So because you know him from that, you know what he will gift it for, what he will do from what he will not do. So it is cannot your opinion. It's what you know of this man. So me don't understand where you say you mix we up. Get your facts straight. It cannot be your opinion when you go as far as say you know this man from X time, so you know what him capable of doing. Then you're going to say your opinion. No. If you know him capable of doing, you know what him capable of doing. Because you know it's something that he has done over and over, and what he will do, and you know what he will not do. So don't come now and say it's your opinion. You know the man from him licky bit and wingy and maga. So you know what we do from where we do.
All this drama and chaos that's going on. Because that's what you do, right? You look for the opportunity of where you can make money, and that's what you're going to do. And I personally believe that you already knew ahead of time you had no intention of taking anyone to court, but you needed to prove if these people would have supported you, and you knew they would or will, and they did or are, right? And then at the end of the day, you're going to use that money for yourself, because they're going to let you keep the money, and you know that. But you know what? I am not donating a dime, a penny, or a cent. So therefore,
you can't see clearly two
really
people on. You can't see two on a friend and family on yourself.
But I still had to make that observance, right, of what I'm seeing. Now, as far as the other individual, okay, again, it's only human nature. It was only human nature, especially in the diaspora that we're in, that they would have ran with the story, right? Because this is somebody that has been, you know, Kris was somebody that has been riding their backs. Well, they both have been going back and forth for years. That's not a secret,
man.
right?
Kris are right
they both have been going back and forth for
Kris
years.
is riding the innocent female back for years. Everybody's riding that innocent female back.
Both of them have accused each other of certain things. So this is an ongoing feud that's been going on. So this
that
is
female is so innocent.
So I mean,
she born special.
If the shoe was on the other side or the other foot, like I said before, the other side would have celebrated and ran out and did the same thing. They would have gleed, they would have laughed, they would have, you know, the whole, you know, their followers, everybody would have came out and laughed and talk about it and blog about it, and it would have just been all over social media if the shoe was on the other foot and such serious allegation came about that other blogger. Yes, you guys would have ran out with it and did the same exact thing like she's doing. Does that require to be sued for, especially if it was never originally originated from you, even though by law, yes, that person still could be held accountable because they repeated it? But in all fairness, though, that person was not the originator of this rumor, and yet I don't see Kris going after the originator. And Kris has been called many different things, even worse than...
Let me pause here and say it loud. Puss and dog now have the same luck. There is a lot of people out here you might come after that said little or nothing at all or not much about you. And there is people out here who come at you and you don't go at them. You understand? It take you months for you to come out here against Curly after she slap you in the face so many times. You trying to be her or prove to her that you are so loyal to her. And you know, come out for her. I respect you so much. that I wouldn't even answer you, but I just have one thing to say. Please, you know, you must know your friends from your head, you know? Yeah. It take your months to come out against her. So I saw it go. Puss and dog now have the same look. Long before you come out against Curly, what do you know what you come out here for? For little and nothing. Remember when me come out here, and you first see me, you know, me never see you, you know. If you remember good, you know. Remember good, no, man? Me can't forget when me make the statement about hustling. Is a lot of people have a little hustling through the whole picking up and this and that through the, you know, the whole good deed program. You make it look like you come out and come paint a picture. You understand? You were the first who come at me. Because me never did know you. I see me see a post. You understand? So I saw it go. A Tina the man want, a Tina him want. Him no want Kia and him no want Kian. That's why them say Roach no business in a foul fight. You know hear them saying there? Roach no business in a foul fight. Never use it family and man and woman a war and go on like you want to take a part. If you can't say done, cut your eye past it. Because at the end of the day, when head go up and pillar, a different something. And when lumber are going a door joint, a different something. Or what?
This worst accusation, you know, drugs being in their cake, shit, you know.
She not selling about nobody, man.
Their business has been dragged, their character has been dragged even worse than this. And Kris remained quiet, and Kris did not bring a lawsuit against any other individual that went after him and his business. So why this particular blogger? Again, because it's a personal vendetta. And he feels as if he can set the tone to let social media know that he has that much power or that much influence or that much support to bring that person down if he chooses to. And this is all what it is for you, Kris. It's just to prove a point. And at the end of the day, you know you're not going to go that far. Again, prove me wrong. Let me see if you're going to go all the way through with this. Prove me wrong, Kris, because I know you like a book. And anybody that have not studied you, studied your moves,
so it's
studied
not your
how
opinion,
you are as a person,
because you know him like a book.
if they have not took the time to do that, then yes, they were completely 100% believe that you're fully ready to go, and you genuinely is going to go all the way through to the courts with this person. But me, Kris, I've observed you over the years. I've been following you for many, from you were this skinny little kid behind your computer saying, this is crazy. So I think you should say something like, this is Kris to the mother effing S or something like that. You
That's
know,
why she
and
feel
you
like
were
she
so
can't read the
skinny and
man's
sit
mind.
behind the computer, and you had very limited
That's why she feel like she
followers.
can't
At the
read the
time
mind.
when
And
I
then I
used to
come
watch
talk
you in
about
the beginning,
opinion. No
you
opinion.
barely
Where?
had 100 people watching you. So that's
You
how
feel like
long
you can't
I've been
think for
following
people.
you,
How you
Kris,
can't
okay?
think for
So
yourself.
I know a little bit about what you're capable of. And what I'm saying to you is you're calling a bluff.
Alright,
and
guardian.
you're collecting
Because
money in the
you was his
process
guardian
of
when
calling
he
that
was
bluff,
growing up.
knowing darn well if you don't go through with it, you're still going to get to keep that money. What would you call that, Kris? Anyways, people.
There you are. You know you're not going to go through with it. And you know what going to happen. When you ask to refund that money, they're going to tell you to keep it, Kris. What you call that, Kris? Me say Ponzi scheme. What uno say? I don't know if you don't want to use the S word. But if you don't listen to the old video, and the S word should just stop short from say at that Kris I do. Speak mind, people bless upon yourself, and thanks for watching. You know they do like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, hit the thumbs up on the video. Please to watch the ads, continue to support the backup channel Life is a Mission TV. Follow me on TikTok, Life is a Mission TV. The cash up is there, $ Charms and Trends. When you gift me, I use a gift to give back to the needy and not the greedy. And follow me. Go and support my merge and the website of Charms and Trends. that shop. Please go support. Please, I'm out.